In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the email notification sound in Outlook 2025. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks at work or just want to stay on top of your communications, enabling notification sounds for your emails can help you stay alert and responsive. So let's dive into the process of setting that up, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you won't miss a single email. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your device. You'll want to make sure you're using Outlook 2025, as different versions might have slight variations in their user interface. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see an option to sign in. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and log into the account you'd like to adjust email notifications for. Now that you're signed in, locate the settings icon, which is also in the top right corner of your Outlook interface. It usually looks like a small gear or cogwheel icon. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu or sidebar, providing you with a variety of settings to customize your Outlook experience. In this menu, look for the option labeled General and click on it. This will take you to a new page with a set of broader settings categories. From here, find the Notifications section. It's in this section where you'll be able to modify sounds and alerts associated with your email account. Upon entering the Notifications menu, you'll notice a field specifically dedicated to mail settings. This is where you can manage how and when you'd like to be alerted for new emails. Click on the downward arrow in this mail field to reveal more options. Once you expand this menu, look for the option that says Play Sound. Clicking on this will activate the email notification sound feature for your account. It's a simple feature, but it's very effective in keeping you informed about incoming messages without constantly having to check your inbox. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. After selecting the Play Sound feature, scroll and find the Save button. Clicking Save ensures that your changes are applied and that the notification sound will be active moving forward. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on the email notification sound in Outlook 2025. This small adjustment means you can focus on other tasks while ensuring you're promptly informed of new emails. With these settings in place, managing your emails becomes a little bit easier and a lot more efficient. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks, and enjoy your newly configured Outlook.